Harshita, Anil Kumar, Bhargavi, Bhargavi, Harshita.
Sir, I can't understand the letter, sir.
My letters you are not understanding. Knowing our members, ma. Knowing our numbers. Okay, I will not start my teaching yet. So I will ask you some questions. Can you answer to me? Harshita, Hasini,
Sir.
shall I ask you some questions? Harshita, shall I ask you some questions or not? Okay, where do we use numbers? Can anyone say? Where do we use numbers? So in your daily life. So you can give any example, whatever you like. Hasini, Harshita, can anyone or not? Okay, I start my lesson. See, if you ask me the same question, then I use these numbers giving ranks. Giving marks or spending money or giving roll numbers. Is all these are done by your teachers or not? So is your teacher will give them ranks in the class or not? In the same way, while correcting the papers, they will give the marks or not? And spending the money, when your father and mother spending some money, then they will count it in the form of the numbers itself and giving the roll numbers in your class. So for all these things, we are using numbers. So as for example, if you suppose our government, so once for every 10 years, they count our population, right? How many male are there, male population is there, and what is the female population, how many children are there, how many schools going children are there, and how many working people are there, how many of them are living in the pakka houses, and all our government will count. So for that also they will use our numbers. Is it not, children? So here we are using these numbers in our day-to-day life. Without, just you imagine, without these numbers, can we imagine our life, how it could be? Just you cannot imagine without these numbers, the life cannot be. So even for example, in the early morning when you wake up, when you are going to buy the milk packet, you are need of these numbers. How many milk packets we want, and what is the cost of that packet? Okay, so how many, at what time you wake up in the early morning? So about all these things, so the day begins with this numbers itself. So these numbers are having very important role in our daily life. Is it not? So now let me start the next topic. Estimation of estimating and comparison. Okay. Estimating and comparison. So when do you use the estimation and what is the comparison? So estimating, so this is a very known term to you all, that estimating. For example, when you are not clear about at what time you woke up in the morning. So in the classroom, your teacher asks you that, so why you did not do the work, at what time you woke up. Then maybe if you are not aware of the time, maybe 7:30 or 6:30 or 8, madam, at that time I woke up, just that is the answer you can give. So at what time you came to the school? For example, if your PT sir asks you, then if you remember the time, you can say, or otherwise, so around 8:30 or 8:40 I came to the school. So you cannot give, if you are unable to give the exact time, so then just you are giving an answer, or just you are saying a time that, so which is probably near to the time what you have arrived. So that is comes under the estimation. For example, if you are writing a test, soon after completion of the test, you went to the home and your father or mother asked you, so how many marks you are expecting in the test which you wrote now? So then you will say that, so out of 25, I may get, so 20 or 22. Or otherwise, mommy, daddy, I will get all out and out. So 25 out of 25 I may get. So that gives the estimation of the marks what you are going to get. Okay. So who is Pujita? Yes, Pujita?
Sir, I can't hear your voice, sir.
Emma, you are unable to hear my voice.
Sir, I can't hear your voice, sir.
Ma, it is maybe there is some problem in your network, or otherwise use headphones while you are listening the class, okay?
Sir, I can't hear your voice, sir.
See, you use headphones, or otherwise there may be some network problem in your phone. Yes, Galaxy J6.
Sir, increase your voice, sir.
You are unable to listen my voice.
Yes, sir. Small.
Okay, is it audible now?
Hello, sir. Sir. Speak loudly, sir.
Yes, ma, I am speaking louder.
Sir.
Is my voice is audible to you or not? ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పింది వినిపిస్తుందా? భార్గవి? Okay, so that comes under our estimation. Now we will discuss about what is comparison. For example, if two persons are walking, let me suppose like this. So both have started from A to B and X to Y. These are their points. So who walked more distance? How we can say, for example, let me suppose that this name is K and his name is S. So who walked longer distance? Undoubtedly, you can say that the person S has walked more distance than the person K. In the same way, for example, if you suppose two trees are here, so which is taller? So let me suppose that this is X and this one is as Y. So which tree is taller? I can say. So undoubtedly we can say that the tree Y is taller than the tree X. In the same way, see, when you are saying or when you are comparing two quantities, there must be something irrelevant to these two. For example, when you are comparing the distances, one is having long distance and the other one is of the short distance. In the same way, when you are comparing the two trees, one is of taller and the other one is shorter because there is some difference in their heights. In the same way, for example, if you are comparing the cell. So let me suppose that this is a circle S and this is a circle P. Let me suppose that. So which circle is larger and which circle is smaller? So undoubtedly we can say that the circle P is larger and the circle S is smaller. How can you say that this is larger and how this is smaller? Because its radius is more or its radius R is less. So as its radius is less, so that it is the circle of short area and this is a small circle, and whereas this is the large circle. Like this we can say when we are comparing the two circles. In the same way, here we are applying the same concept to the numbers. So now we are going to compare the two numbers, which is larger and which is smaller, or which is greater and which is smaller. We are going to compare in this concept in this class today. Now let me explain you clearly. So whenever the two numbers are taken, definitely there must be some inequality in these two numbers. So for example, if I take 4 and the number 7. So this number 4 and this is the number 7, and this number 4, when you are counting the numbers, so the 4 comes earlier and whereas 7 comes later, or otherwise simply we can say that 4 in the sense we can write 4 ones, and in the 7 we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here now counting these two, which we can say that, so which is larger and which is smaller? Good. So 4 is less than 7 because 4 is the smaller one and 7 is the bigger one, we can say. In the same way, this is the term we can say when we are taking only the single terms. But when you are taking the larger numbers, like for example 12 and 20, if I take these two numbers, see, whenever two numbers are taken, definitely just as in the previous case, I compared the two trees. So the tree which is having higher height is taller and which is having the smaller is short, I said. And in the same way, I compared the two circles. The circle which is having the less radius or small radius is smaller, and the circle with the greater radius is greater. In the same way, here I have taken the two numbers. So 12 and 20. So now if I want to compare these two numbers, here I have to take up the concept of place value. So here place value is a more important thing. So whenever two numbers are being compared, definitely I have to compare those two numbers from its left onwards. So here if I take 20, so 0 is in the right side whereas 2 is in the left side. So here 2 is in the tens place. Zero is in the ones place and 2 is in tens place. Here in the same way, 2 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. Now we can compare the left side value first. So here we have 2 and here we have 1. So which is greater in these two, either 1 or 2? Definitely 2 is greater whereas 1 is smaller. So I can say that 12 is less than 20. So like that I can compare, I can make the comparison between the two numbers, like which is greater and which is smaller. Am I clear to you, children? Any doubt regarding this? Gopal Krishna? Gopal Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, ma? You raise your hand now.
Yes, sir.
What's your doubt?
I can't understand your handwriting, sir.
You can't understand my handwriting.
Yes, sir.
See, here I am explaining the estimating and comparison concept. This is the first topic of your lesson, knowing your numbers. So here, how can we compare the two numbers? That is the present concept I am explaining you. For example, if previously I have taken two circles, have you seen that or not? Gopal Krishna,
Sir.
previously I have taken two circles, have you seen that or not?
Yes, sir.
So how can you say, among these two circles, which one is greater and which one is smaller? How can you say?
Comparison, sir.
How can you compare, man? How can you compare the two circles? So you can compare the two circles based on its radius, right?
Radius.
See, the distance from the center is less here, whereas the distance from the center is more. So that this is the smaller circle and this is the larger circle, we can say, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
And previously I have taken two trees.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so which one is which tree is taller and which tree is smaller here?
First tree, sir.
So this one is taller or smaller?
Taller, sir.
Very good. This one is?
Smaller.
How can you say?
With radius.
Hey. So which height is maximum? By comparing the height here, the height of this tree is more or not?
Yes, sir.
And here the height of this tree is?
Big.
Say. Less. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here this tree, the height of this tree is more, whereas here the height of this tree is less.
No.
So I can say that this tree is taller, right?
Yes, sir.
Just as this circle is bigger than this circle, right? So if you compare me and you, so who is taller? I mean that who is younger and who is older? Gopi.
Yeah.
So if you take you and me, among we two, so who is what do you call younger and who is elder? మన ఇద్దరు పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఎవరయ్యా?
Sir?
గోపి.
Hello?
ఇప్పుడు మన ఇద్దరు, so if you take you and me, who is younger and who is elder?
You only younger, sir.
I am younger.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So younger in the sense చిన్నవాళ్ళు ఎవరు అని అడుగుతున్నాను నేను. పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఎవరు చిన్నవాళ్ళు ఎవరు?
You are younger and I am taller, sir.
Younger అంటే చిన్న అని, elder అంటే పెద్ద అని. Okay.
Sir.
So I am elder and you are younger than me, right? అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
So ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం కంపేర్ చేసుకున్నాం? What we compared here? What we compared, man? Ages, right? In the same way, when you are comparing the two numbers, we have to compare the place values. What you have to compare? See, for example, 42 I take, and here it is 24. Okay, 24 if I take. Among these two numbers, which one is greater and which one is smaller? How can we say? Based on the place value. What is that? Based on the place value, we can compare. Yes, Shrikar?
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
is your doubt, ma'am?
No doubt, sir.
You raised your hand, na?
Sir, you asked that question, no, sir.
Which question?
You asked Gopal Krishna, no, sir.
Okay. That you want to answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now your doubt is cleared?
Yes, sir.
So when two numbers have to be compared, what we have to compare here?
First, we have to compare the left digit, sir.
Place values.
Place value.
So in this number, first of all, you have to consider the left place value. So here, what is the left place value here? Left
2,
digit.
sir.
Yes, 2. Here, what is the left digit?
4.
4. So among these 4 and 2, which is greater?
4, sir.
Very good. So 42 is greater than
24.
24. Like this, we can compare. For example, let me give one more example.
Sir.
343 and 341.
Sir.
Okay. So as I told you that we have to consider only the left place value,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So here you see the left place value of this number is 3. Here also the left place value is
3.
3 itself, right? So can we compare these two now?
Yes, sir. We can compare the next digit, sir.
Yeah, based on the first digit of left side, we cannot compare because these two digits are same or equal. So if it is the case, then we have to go for the next place.
Next digit, sir.
Okay, so here what is the next place? That is the 10th place is 4. Here
Yes,
also
sir.
the 10th place is
4. 4.
4. So here these two are also equal. After that, what we have to go?
Next digit, sir.
So next digit. Here the place value of these three is
3, sir.
one place value is 3. Here one place value is
1.
1 itself. So which is greater, either 3 or 1?
3, sir.
3 is greater. So that 343 is greater than
341.
341. So like this, we can compare the numbers by considering their place values. Do you understand now? Do you understand or not, sir? Any doubt? Yes, Shrikar? Shrikar,
Yes, sir.
you raised your hand now?
Yes, sir.
What's the doubt, man?
No doubt, sir.
Good. So to say no doubt, you raised your hand.
Sir, I didn't raise it, sir.
Okay, Bharati Raja. Bharat Raju. Bharat Raju? Yes, Galaxy J6. Who is Galaxy J6 man? Galaxy J6. Okay. So this is about the comparing of the two numbers. Okay. For example, next we'll go for the four-digit number. 4,687. Next, 3,687. So here which number is greater and which number is smaller? Okay, who can say? So what is the condition I said? When you are comparing the two numbers, we have to go for the leftmost value at first. So here leftmost value in the thousands place we have 3 and in the thousands place we have 4. So that here 4 is greater than 3, so that 4,687. So though the three digits are same here, so we need not bother. Here in the left side first value is 4,687. So this is greater. So 4,000 is greater than 3,687 we can say. So this is the concept based on the comparison. Let me give the definition first. Okay? Write down the definition. Read. Let's write down this definition, man. Given two numbers, one with more digits is the greater number. Given two numbers, one with the more digits is greater number. So among the two given numbers, which number is having more digits, that will be greater. If the number of digits in the two given numbers is the same, so just as we said now, if the number of digits in the two given numbers is same, that number is greater which has greater leftmost digit. Kaudinya. Kaudinya,
Yes, sir.
what is your doubt, ma? Why did you raise the hand?
That right, sir.
Ah, you write in your notes.
Yes, sir.
Galaxy J6. My hand is just okay. D amma Galaxy J6 astano. Okay. Yes, Galaxy J6, Everma. Who is Galaxy J6? Next, Kaudinya. Kaudinya, tell me what.
One see that.
You did not write
One
it?
see that. Yes, sir. One line.
Yes, 6348.
Sir,
What is your doubt, man?
one line there is, sir. I can give, sir.
Okay, next, who is Amrita? Amrita from Gandhinagar branch.
Start.
Amrita,
Sir, sir,
tell me, girl.
tell one's definition meaning, sir.
Okay. Can you hear me? Vinpadunda?
Yes, sir.
See, given two numbers, one with the more digits is greater number. For example, you are given two numbers like 4,687 and 87. Okay, otherwise 89, let me suppose. Okay, so among these two numbers, which one is greater? We can say either 4,687 or 89. Amrita?
Sir,
If you take two numbers like 4,687 and a small number 89,
yes, sir.
so by seeing these two numbers, which number is greater?
4,687, sir.
How can you say?
Because
Say,
that
because it is
four
having
digit
more number
number.
of digits, right?
Yes, sir. That is two
See,
digits. That is 4 digits, sir.
that is what the definition says. See, given two numbers, one with the more digits is greater number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If two numbers are given, out of these two numbers, one is having more number of digits, obviously that will be the greater number. Okay. If
Sir.
the number of digits in the two given numbers are same, for example, here, if the two numbers are given with the same number of digits, like 4,687 and 5,687. So these two are four-digit numbers, right? Okay. Then which number has almost leftmost digit? If this digit is also happens to be the same, we look at the next digit. See, if you take these two four-digit number, of course, these two are the four digits. Then we have to see the leftmost digit at first. So here 4,687. Whereas in the next number 5,687. So which is greater, either 4 or was it in that? Okay, we will discuss the remaining topic in tomorrow's class. No? Okay.